Good day, guys. Welcome to the channel, and we are back to the motion series again. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about terms used to describe motion. Terms used to describe motion. There are basically three terms used to describe motion. As we can see here, we have velocity, 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 speed, and acceleration. Velocity, speed, and acceleration. Today we're going to be giving a brief introduction on all these terms. And in the next video are going to solve calculations under them. So stick out for the next video. Stick out for the next video. Okay, let's dive straight into the topic. Let's dive straight into the topic. Yeah, terms used in describing motion. The first term we're going to be looking at is speed. Speed. What is speed? Speed. What is speed? Speed can be defined as the rate at which an object covers a distance. Or speed can be defined as the time taken for an object to cover a distance. Let's assume you kick a ball from point A to point B. This this is a distance. The time it takes the ball to travel through this distance is called speed. So that is why we have speed to be distance over time. So that is why we have speed to be distance over time. That is the time it takes the ball to travel from one point to another. Distance over time. Okay, distance is usually measured in meters. Some units for distance. For speed, this speed is usually measured in meter per second. Why? Because distance is measured in meters. Distance is measured in meters, and time is measured in seconds. So we have speed to be meter per second, or ms inverse. You can either write speed in this form or in this form. Other USI, this is the standard SI unit, but other SI units of speed would come in form of kilometer per hour. Okay, let me write that, because distance can also be measured in kilometer, and time, as we know, can also be measured in kilometer per hour, or km hr inverse, kilometer per hour, anyone you wish to take. Okay, let's dive straight into the second term, which is velocity. Velocity, it is very much similar to speed. The only thing that makes it different is that velocity uses displacement and not direction. What's the difference between displacement and direction? Displacement is simply a direction displacement is simply a distance, with direction. For example, let's assume you kick a ball, you pass the ball to your friend. Sorry about that. Let's assume you pass the ball to your friend on point. Okay, you pass the ball to a friend from point A to B, and your friend kicks the ball straight to point C. This is the ball on point C, as you can see. From A to the distance which this ball has covered is distance from A to B to C. So to get the distance, we'll be doing distance AB plus distance BC. That is the distance AB plus BC. That is the distance. But when it comes to displacement, displacement displacement is simply the distance from this A to C, as against going from A to B, then from B to C. You can just go directly from A to C. You can see it has a direction, it has a specific direction. Just go straight, direct. So displacement is this distance from A to C straight. It has a direction. That's the difference. The direction is the difference between distance and displacement. That is why velocity is a vector quantity, because it has both magnitude and direction. Okay, displacement. So velocity can be defined as the rate of displacement of a ball or of a body. Okay, I'm going to cite an example of a ball again. Yeah, sorry, do not mind my drawing, sorry. Okay, the time in which it takes this ball to cover this displacement, this distance. So therefore, velocity can be said to be equals to distance over time. Or sorry, displacement over time. Displacement over time. Okay, let me correct this quickly. Displacement over time. As I said earlier, direction and displacement have the same unit. So, meaning displacement also has the unit of meters. It's also in meters. Okay, so we have meters. Then, as you guys know, the unit for time, which I said is seconds. So, velocity is also same as meter per second, or ms inverse. We can see velocity has same unit as that of speed. That is how similar they are. They even have same unit. Okay, let's go into the third and final term, which is acceleration. Acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of change of speed or velocity. Acceleration is the rate of change of speed or velocity. Okay, let me quickly explain. Let's assume moves from point a car moves from point A, let's say a car moves from point A to point B. Car moves to point B, and it started point A. It started its journey from point A with a speed or velocity of 30 meter per second, and ended up in point B with 40 meter per second. How fast did it change its speed or velocity from 30 meter to 40 meter per from 30 meter per second to 40 meter per second is what we describe as acceleration. How fast it changes its speed or velocity from its what we know as acceleration. So meaning with this, acceleration can be said to be the change in speed, which or change in velocity, which is also in meter per second. Change in speed or velocity all over change in time. The time taken, change in time. Okay, change in time, change in speed large velocity. Yeah, as I see, as we've if you've been following the video, you've seen the units for speed and velocity are same, which is meter per second, and the unit for time is second. So we have meter per second over seconds, which is equals to m over s times 1 over s. M over s times 1 over s. So acceleration equals m over s square, which is equals to meter per second square. Acceleration is meters per second square. Please like and subscribe to the channel Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.